Fishing in South Louisiana is really unlike any other place that I've visited. The marsh, it's just so full of life.
These dolphins.
It's a place where us conventional anglers have to borrow techniques from our fly fishing counterparts. Blind casting all day is one approach, but it's the wrong one. To be successful out here, you have to be patient. A lot of looking, a lot of listening.
That was a red for sure.
The water's muddy, but if you know what you're looking for, the fish will reveal themselves in a variety of ways. And if you're not ready, you'll miss your shot.
Good shot!
The culture here differs from any other place that I've fished. It has this slow yet deliberate vibe. These people haven't forgotten where they came from. And for many of them, life revolves around the pursuit of fish.